sector was included, so that it's more
Fact-finding?
The fact finding is more tailored towards what the private sector wants.
Okay. Tapos sir, parang sila yung magsisilbing complainant sa ombudsman din or sa inyo?
Yes, either way. Kasi nga, some of them will have to be filed with us sometimes because of our relationship with AMLAC. We're part of the AMLAC. So if once there's a complaint, it automatically tells the AMLAC to start filing a case in the Court of Appeals and building up the case itself.
Sir, si Congressman po, pag dumating siya, kanino siya magsasalita? Kung gusto niya magsalita.
Madiretso na sa ombudsman niya. Kasi, ano mo, ang buhay naman ang ginagawa namin, matatapos din ito kagad eh. Pero mas matagal ang kaso. I don't expect him to come home. I mean, the way that everything is right now, don't think he will just go home.
But if he does, paano sir yun? Papayla na ng complaint or sa ombudsman na siya mag-fact-finding ba ito?
Either which way. Depende kung nasaan na yung lahat. Pero most probably nasa ombudsman na yan.
Sir, anong turing ng DOJ kay Congressman ko as we speak?
Inaano lang namin. We're just looking at the affidavits. And ano ba? Na-file na ba kay Sandy sa AMLA? Di ba?
Meron na sir.
Meron na. Ano na? May complaint na sa DOJ. May complaint na sa DOJ. So AMLA is already a person of interest. So already a person of interest.
And how about
as is the others? As are the others?
How about the Diskaya, sir?
Well, they're persons of interest. Also.
Sir, may statement na si Atty. Mico, pero yung behavior kahapon ni Sarah, ay Saturday.
Yes, that's very unfortunate.
Okay.
Kasi nga, they want witness protection, but yun nga, ang una namang requirement namin, magsabi ng totoo at buong katotohanan. Ngayon ang sinusubukan natin gawin. Makuha yung talagang, kahit anong tanongin namin, sasabihin nila. Yun nga yung problema ngayon. Yun ang gusto namin magamot kung talagang gusto nilang makapasok dyan sa programa.
Yung Saturday, sir, may nakuha kayo?
May mga bago kami nakuha. Kaya lang, siyempre, ang tinanong ko, sinabi ko nga, ay pakita mo sa akin yung mga notes mo at yung ledgers mo to prove what you're saying. Kasi baka mamaya, sukusasal na pinulot. I want evidence to be complete. Kasi ang testimony at yung notes, dapat magtubayan. Dapat magtubayan.
Sabi niya, sir?
Okay naman. Kaya lang siyempre nakakontempt. So I sought permission for him to go home for at least 2 to 3 hours para patrabaho niya. Yung dokumento hinahanap namin.
Are they due back sa DOJ?
Hindi. Ngayong palang paalis yun eh. Baka ngayon, nasa Pasig na yun. Tapos pupunta siya ng DOJ mamaya.
Yung behavior ba, sir, ni Diskaya will affect doon sa kanyang credibility para makapasok sa
I cannot anymore comment on that kasi we're evaluating. I think it's not good to be prejudging anything.
So right now, acting pa lang yung ombudsman, but when you're there, responsibility mo na pag-file.
Well, if and when I get an appointment, then it's going to be...
Kayo na magsandigan, file na.
Kami na,
How soon will you...
And saka the DOJ will still be working with the ombudsman.
Okay.
Kasi ang kalahati ng kaso niyan, if it involves other cases and private persons and lower salary grades, the RTC, DOJ na nagpapasikyo. Merong agreement ng DOJ tsaka ombudsman. I will review it later. Pagka dumating tayo ron.
Pero can you go aside plunder cases?
Plunder is overrated as the only case. What is important is you put people behind bars in unbailable cases. Yun mas mahalaga yun.
Pero how soon can we file it? Sa Sandigan ba? Because people are really...
Hindi, ano yan? Preliminary investigation pa rin yan.
Okay.
Everything is due process.
Okay.
Siyempre, naiirip tayo, pero sinasabi ko nga, proseso lahat yan. Paano kami nakapag-file ng kaso kay Atong Ang? 3 taon nang inintay namin. After 1 year, may nakuha kami mga tip. Nakakuha kami ng warrant of arrest. Pero inabot pa rin ng 3 taon.
Sir, this one will take 3 years naman.
Hindi naman. Mas matindi yun eh. Mas matindi yun. Tsaka, mas transparent yan government yan. Mas transparent naman talaga. Tsaka ang police ngayon, mas responsive.
Sir, apply na ng blue notice sa Interpol para kay Sabi ko.
Blue notice.
No application.
Pinaprocess pa natin. Yes. Pinaprocess pa. Kasi ano yan, marami kaming requirements para ma-file namin yan. Dapat kompleto file namin.
Sir, kailan yung target natin?
As soon as possible. The target is yesterday.
Sir, pero track.
The target is always, the deadline is always yesterday. with what we do.
Yeah.
But we have to follow due process.
Sir, what will happen to ko?
Si Congressman ko. Alam
Yes, we get their tips. We have our informers.
Sir, what will happen to ko kapag may blue notice na?
Well, we will know where he's going every time. Yun ang mahalaga. Malaman kung nasa siya lagi.
Right now, hindi pa natin hawak. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa natin kita.
Hindi, marami na kami report. Kaya lang, siyempre, wala pa naman kami magagawa doon. Kailangan lang alam namin kung nasaan siya.
Wala pa, hindi pwedeng arrestin.
Hindi pa.
What will cause yung arrest niya?
Warrant of arrest from a court.
Court? Okay. Sir, thank you for your time.
Sige.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Ganun kasi bababa na sila. Sa kanina.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest hot news of the press.